better call for backup. Requesting assistance from all nearby Clade agents.
Bill! Jill! Hey, guys!
Yoo-hoo! Stinkwells! Oopsie!
Okay, everybody, get that dunk ball! There it is! The goal! She shoots! She scores!
Come on, now's our chance.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah.
I got it! I got it! Huh?
Wow, what was that?
Over there!
Split up. We got it.
We don't cut it.
Whoa!
Rising again.
Get this off of here! Here we go again.
Hurry! It's heading for that cliff.
Oh no! It'll splat like a pancake!
Don't worry. We will get it.
We got this.
Sorry, guys.
It's up to you now. Come to get Dilladung. Oh no!
My turn.
You gotta grab it!
Gotcha.
Woohoo! Nice one.
Great catch, Sam.
Come on!
She was tricky then, and she's even trickier now.
Stop those critters!
They're heading for our room!
They're in here somewhere.
There!
Are they laughing at us?
After them!
They're in the vent. In here.
Split up! That way!
Stinkwells, look out! What are those things?
I don't know.
Look out! Snack attack! Oh no! Not the lasers!
Whoopsie.
can't let it get away.
Don't have to tell me twice. Come back with that blue bot, Blue Bandit.
Hang in there, Daddy's coming. I mean, Claytor's on the way.
Look out! He's getting away!
Not if I can help it. Bluebot, footprint scanner. I think he landed over here.
What in the woolly world? This must be the Blue Bandit's lair.
Someone's coming. We better be ready for anything.
Please don't hurt me. My mom says I have delicate bones. I'm sorry for taking your dishwasher or whatever that thing was. But hey, while you're here, do you have anything blue I could have?
Wasn't ready for that. Kids, how'd it go with the ants? Did you catch the stinger yet?
Not yet, Sam. Faster, kid.
Is that Bob? Hi, Bob. What's that buzzing?
We've got company.
If I didn't know any better, I'd say you were being chased by a huge swarm of angry bees.
Sam, I gotta go. Look out! Whoa! Buzz off. They're gaining on us. What do we do? I have an idea. Jump! They're gone. Keep it up, Sam. You're gaining on her.
Can't catch her. She's too fast.
Sam, you can do this. Remember what you said. You just have to stay focused.
Stay focused. Get ready, kids. Bluebots, double team.
Gotcha!
Yes!
Whoa, that cat is fast.
Are you sure that's a cat? It moves just like a monkey. Whoa, where do these branches keep coming from?
Gee, I don't know. We're in a jungle. Look! Eyes up! She's heading towards Ron! She got away. Watch out for the lava! Don't stop now!
Can't catch us!